Egypt, the land of pharaohs and ancient mysteries, has long captivated the world with its remarkable wonders. From the monumental pyramids of Giza to the serene temples along the Nile, this North African country boasts a wealth of historical and natural treasures that continue to astonish and inspire. In this journey through Egypt, we'll unravel the enigmatic allure of this fascinating land and its many wonders. Standing proudly on the outskirts of Cairo, the pyramids of Giza are arguably the most iconic symbols of ancient Egypt. Comprising the Great Pyramid, the Pyramid of Khafra, and the Pyramid of Menkaure, these colossal structures were constructed over 4,500 years ago as monumental tombs for pharaohs. The Great Pyramid, built for Pharaoh Khufu, is the largest and most famous. Its sheer size, precision engineering, and enduring enigma make it a testament to ancient Egyptian architectural genius. Adjacent to the pyramids, the Great Sphinx of Giza is a mystical guardian with the body of a lion and the head of a pharaoh, believed to represent Pharaoh Khafra. Its origin and purpose remain shrouded in mystery, adding to its intrigue. This ancient monolithic statue is one of the world's oldest and largest, guarding the secrets of the past. The temples of Luxor and Karnak, located in the ancient city of Thebes, the modern-day Luxor, are breathtaking examples of monumental temple architecture. Luxor Temple, dedicated to the rejuvenation of kingship, and Karnak Temple, dedicated to the god Amun, are connected by an avenue of sphinxes. These temples, adorned with colossal statues and intricate hieroglyphics, provide a vivid window into Egypt's rich history and culture. On the west bank of the Nile near Luxor, the Valley of the Kings houses the tombs of numerous pharaohs and nobles. These well-preserved burial sites are adorned with colorful frescoes and intricate hieroglyphics, offering a glimpse into the afterlife beliefs of ancient Egyptians. The tomb of Tutankhamun, the boy king, remains one of the most famous discoveries in archaeological history. The Abu Simbel temples, built by Ramses II in Nubia, are a remarkable testament to ancient Egyptian engineering. These massive rock-cut temples were moved to higher ground to protect them from submersion caused by the construction of the Aswan High Dam. The temple's colossal statues and intricately carved interiors are awe-inspiring, reflecting the might of Ramses II. Situated on an island in the Nile near Aswan, the Temple of Philae is a stunning dedication to the goddess Isis. The temple, which resembles an exquisite jewel, was rescued from the rising waters of the Nile when the Aswan Dam was built. Its elegant columns, vivid reliefs, and serene surroundings transport visitors to an age of divine worship. The Egyptian Museum in Cairo is a treasure trove of artifacts, housing an extensive collection that spans millennia. It is home to the legendary treasures of Tutankhamun, including his golden mask, exquisite jewelry, and ceremonial artifacts. The museum's exhibits encompass mummies, statues, and relics that unravel the tapestry of Egypt's past. Venturing beyond Egypt's ancient wonders, we discover the surreal beauty of the White Desert. Located in the Western Desert, this otherworldly landscape features chalk rock formations sculpted by the wind and sand over eons. It's a mesmerizing setting where nature plays the role of an artist, painting the desert with stunning white sculptures. Egypt's wonders extend to the underwater realm, with the Red Sea's vibrant coral reefs. Offering some of the world's finest diving and snorkeling experiences, the Red Sea's clear waters teem with colorful marine life. Explorers can encounter schools of fish, dolphins, and breathtaking coral formations, making it a paradise for underwater enthusiasts. The Suez Canal, an engineering marvel, serves as a vital artery of global trade. Linking the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea, it shortens maritime routes and facilitates the passage of ships and cargo between Europe and Asia. This man-made wonder plays a significant role in the world's economy and connects Egypt to international trade networks. Egypt's historical and natural wonders, from its monumental pyramids and ancient temples to its underwater realms and modern marvels, continue to fascinate and inspire travelers from around the globe. The enigmatic allure of this ancient land invites exploration, offering a journey through time and a deep appreciation for the wonders that define Egypt's rich heritage. Egypt is a land of wonder, where the ancient and the modern coexist in harmony, inviting visitors to delve into the mysteries of the past and embrace the marvels of the present. Whether you're a history enthusiast, an adventurer, or a seeker of natural beauty, Egypt's wonders are sure to leave an indelible mark on your heart and soul. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.